Good afternoon. My name is Mani Bathia, and I will be doing my exam 15. Um, the first question is, how have you changed in the last few months in this class? Um, as you can see, I got bags under my eyes. But anyway, I feel like this class has helped me really have an eye open about the career that I want to be in. I do want to be a criminal defense attorney, and I do know I'm going to need like a lot of reading, a lot of data analysis, a lot of like revising, reading, just going over like all types of work. Like, so I feel like, yeah, the course was tedious. Yeah, we did do a lot of work every week, but imagine when you're like, actually getting paid, and that's what, your career consists of. Because I know, as me about to go to law school, I know that I will need to read a lot, like a lot of books, just a lot of everything. So I do know that. But specifically in this class, like, I really learn how to like do a presentation the correct way, how to present a poster, because I do feel like, some of the companies that I am applying to, they're going to want like a presentation on data analysis. And this has really, helped me, like, just with getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning, getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and trying to make it here by times, meeting deadlines, meeting poster deadlines, presentation deadlines. Like, that's all going to happen in the real world. So I understand when Miss McArthur says, like, just do it, just try the best you can, because like, this is what afterlife college is going to consist of. It's going to be a whole bunch of stuff just piled up in front of you. You don't know what you want to do, how you want to finish it. Sometimes you may need to spend a night at the office. Like, last night I stayed up until 4:30, and I had to be to her class, Miss McArthur class, at 8 o'clock. So I only slept for about 2 hours, and now I'm still doing more work that was due already in her class, but I'm being a procrastination, and I'm being the last minute, and other circumstances came up, like my computer wasn't updated, my computer didn't allow me to like do the screencast. So it's a lot of dilemma. Just make sure you just get through it, basically. Like, just, the extra push, like, make it feel like you're getting a paycheck at the end of the week, because anybody would do the work if we was getting a $2,000, $3,000 paycheck at the end of the week, but we're not. But your education is an investment, so you're kind of getting paid, but you're not. Okay, that was the first question. Oh, we can only make a 3-minute video. Oh well. So anyway, how you can use what you learned so far in your major, and what you should learn. What should have you learned by now? Oh, I think I already stated that. Okay. What do you want to learn before the semester is over in this class? I don't think I have anything else that I would like to learn in this class. I feel like I already learned a lot, like a lot, out of all my classes that I have taken here at Tuskegee. I feel like this was the most remarkable class, because I know after I graduate, like in May, June, I'm going to be in a field where I'm going to have deadlines, have paperwork. Like, I'm not going to law school right away, but I am studying for my LSAT, for just that, like LSAT with the logic games, logic reasoning, and the different parts of the LSAT. Like, I have to read, keep practicing. And this is what really, this class has helped me to do. And like, for example, like being a paralegal or a judicial advisor or anything like that, I would have to do all types of data analysis, files, graphs, like everything. So, this course did help me for preparing myself for my career. Just waking up at 7 o'clock. Like, I'm pretty sure there's no job that starts at 12 unless you're an entrepreneur or a business owner. But as for right out of college, like, I'm pretty sure it's going to be, be to work at 8, like, be to work at 9. and I just have to, learn how to use my time management skills, not to procrastinate, not to wait till last minute for where I got these bags under my eyes, like my hair look crazy. But yeah. But any other comments? I really can't say anything bad about this class because I know this class is going to help me next month when I'm applying to jobs, when I'm doing interviews. So I really can't even say anything bad about it. Like, yeah, it's a lot of work because you got other stuff to do, but that's real life. Like, you're gonna want to have a family, you're gonna want to have a husband, boyfriend, significant other, whatever. Like, imagine you going to work from 9 to 5 and your boyfriend wants to be in your face, or your daughter or your son or your friends want to hang out. Like, you have to use your time wisely. Like, you can't fool around. And that's what I kind of was doing, like fooling around a little bit, like, oh, I could just do it later, or I'll just push it off until later. But really, like, if you can get it done ahead of time or 2 weeks before or whatever you can do, you should do it, period. But yes, that is the end of my video. It was supposed to be 3 minutes, but I didn't do it 3 minutes. But oh, yeah, my hair looks crazy. This is senioritis, y'all, and your hair looks like Tarzan. But okay, have a nice day.